Okay, our first full day in Iceland with the entire group. We did the lava magma chamber yesterday, but today we came down to the south coast and we just hiked more waterfalls than we could count. Amazing day, tons of hiking, waterfalls, beautiful day here in Iceland. I mean, look at the sky. It's perfectly blue, a couple clouds here and there, but mostly a sunny day, which is fantastic. First day out on our journey with the group. We spent 3 nights, 4 days down here in the south coast. Then we'll fly up to the west fjords, Inisial Fjord, and out onto the nature preserve where we'll hike through 2 nights and then a 3rd night up there as well before coming back down to Reykjavik. But fantastic day today, spectacular waterfalls, great start day. Weather really cooperated. It's been just perfect. Little breeze, nice sun, nice lunch in the grass, and a lot of unbelievable views. So we're off and running here. Really quiet once you get up out of the parking lot where the main waterfall is, where people stop on the side of the road. As we make our way up the trail, it gets very quiet. Just waterfall after waterfall on a beautiful hiking trail, beautiful terrain, big, huge views out onto the ocean. And the glaciers up above and all this rolling hills and the sheep in the hills. It's just got a little bit of everything, and great first day. So we are going to spend the next 3 nights in a lodge out here and use that kind of as a base camp for the south coast, and then do big excursions each day with big hikes as we go. So like I said, we're off to a good start. The group's doing well. And we've got 13 guests, 3 guides, and including myself. And it's really great to expand our reach into Iceland, get people over here, and a real fun adventure for worldwide trekking. So running this one in June and July, regularly on group trips, and we'll expand a little bit as needed into the later August, September if needed, as things get busier for us over here. But can't complain about the weather today, and our group's having a good time.